Algorand value equivalent to $0.23 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $725.188 and 77. The earlier day close $1.1855. The change was 0.32, 173%. Converse rate US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand gauge for August 2024. At the outset cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,250, while low 5,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,691. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 5,263. Change for August 15.8%. US to Algo expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 5,263 coins. Excessive cost 5,263, while low 4,167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,810. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 4,5045. Change for September 13.6%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 4,545 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 4,000. The found the middle value of cost 4,4014. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4,348. Change for October 4.3%. US to Algo expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 4,348 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,0962. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,704. Change for November 14.8%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 3,704 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,4816. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,226. Change for December 12.9%. US to Algo expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,857. The found the middle value of cost 3,085. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3,030. Change for January 6.1%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 3,030 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,816. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,703. Change for February 10.8%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,439. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,658. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,632. Change for spring 2.6%. Dollar to Algorand figure for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,589. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,564. Change for April 2.6%. US to Algo expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,477. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,439. Change for May 4.9%. Dollar to Algorand figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 2,439 coins. Excessive cost 2,500, while low 2,174. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,360. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,326. Change for June 4.6%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 2,326 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,381, while low 2,083. The found the middle value of cost 2,253. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,222. Change for July 4.5%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 2,222 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,326, while low 2,041. The found the middle value of cost 2,191. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,174. Change for August 2.2%. US to Algo expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 2,174 coins. excessive cost 2273, while low 2000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2144. The Erste Algo figure toward the month's end 2128. Change for September 1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 2128 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1695. The found the middle value of cost 19042. The Erste Algo estimate toward the month's end 11818. Change for October 6%. Erste Algo expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at 11818 coins. Exorbitant cost 2326, while low 1818. The found the middle value of cost 234. The Erste Algo estimate toward the month's end 2174. Change for November 6%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 2174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2778, while low 2174. The found the middle value of cost 2423. The Erste Algo estimate toward the month's end 2564. Change for December 9%. Erste Algo expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 2564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2703, while low 2326. The found the middle value of cost 2523. The Erste Algo estimate toward the month's end 2500. Change for January 5%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 2500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2500, while low 2041. The found the middle value of cost 2304. The Erste Algo gauge toward the month's end 2174. Change for February 13%. Erste Algo expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 2174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2778, while low 2174. The found the middle value of cost 2423. The Erste Algo gauge toward the month's end 2564. Change for spring 17.9%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 2564 coins. Excessive cost 2564, while low 2222. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2433. The Erste Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2381. Change for April 7.1%. Erste Algo expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 2381 coins. Exorbitant cost 3030, while low 2381. The found the middle value of cost 2662. The Erste Algo gauge toward the month's end 2857. Change for May 20%. Dollar to